Blue eyes, sharp teeth.
Which one? Which one?
My monster. This one.
Okay. Now tell.
Two long hands, an oval, big belly, two short legs. This is the description of my monster.
Okay, excellent. Clap for her monster.
He has round eyes and sharp mouth, nose, and 5 teeth, and 2 horns, and long hair. With 5 fingers.
Okay, excellent.
Circle, 2 eyes also circle, long tail, as body is very fatty, oval, and 2 short legs, as triangle to hand with 5 and 5 fingers. Thank you. Long teeth, 2 horns, and straight hair.
Okay, let me see your monster light.